2021 marks the 15-year anniversary of CordenPharma. We look back to our successful history as Your One Partner CDMO, with an integrated facility network across Europe and the US. Following the foundation of CordenPharma in 2006 and the first acquisition in 2007, our strategy has been to add and transform multiple ex-pharma facilities into a global CDMO. In 2011, we acquired the API facility, CordenPharma Switzerland, which helped to expand our API manufacturing capabilities and services within Europe. Located in the Basel area, Switzerland, famous for its life science industry, CordenPharma Switzerland is a CGMP manufacturer of advanced pharmaceutical intermediates and APIs, with a particular focus on the production of small molecules, standard and custom lipids, GalNAc, and carbohydrates.
In 2011, CordenPharma Switzerland was a small, unknown facility in the industry, focused mainly on serving its legacy biotech business. But then, we expanded our site capacities in process R&D with state-of-the-art technologies, lab equipment and automation. In CGMP commercial manufacturing, we significantly increased our purification capabilities, small-scale reactors, and extended our technical offerings in QC to include competent regulatory and QA services, all with the aim to run more projects in parallel. Since joining CordenPharma, we have become a recognized and trusted supplier with specialized technologies for both multi-customer phospholipids and customized lipids. I am particularly proud of the long-term partnership we have established with Moderna Therapeutics. After starting in 2016, as a development partner, we have transitioned as one of 4 CordenPharma facilities into a global, reliable commercial supplier of lipid excipients for their mRNA vaccine against COVID-19. By applying a culture of operational excellence and proven methodology, our CDMO journey with CordenPharma has contributed increasing sales growth year after year. We stand behind our new title, the CordenPharma Center of Excellence for Small Molecule and Custom Lipids Chemical Development. Our team has a profound understanding of the CDMO industry and as such has helped to create a reputation that attracts top talents in the competitive area of Basel. We look forward to continuing our collaboration with you, our customer. CordenPharma, your one partner CDMO.